commonly used English words that start with the letter A. Ability, the power or skill to do something. Abnormal, not normal, unusual. Absolute, complete, without any conditions or limitations. Accept, to receive willingly, to agree to something. Access, the right to enter or use something. Accomplish, to succeed in completing something. Accurate, correct, without errors. Achieve, to succeed in reaching a goal. Acquire, to gain or obtain something. Adapt, to adjust to new conditions or circumstances. Adequate, sufficient, enough to meet a requirement or need. Admire, to respect and look up to someone or something. Adventure, an exciting or dangerous experience. Advocate, to support or speak in favor of something or someone. Affair, a situation or event that is of importance or concern. Affection, a feeling of liking or fondness. Aggressive, ready to attack or confront. Agreement, a decision reached by two or more parties. Aid, assistance or support given to someone in need. Aim, a goal or objective that one strives to achieve. Air, the mixture of gases that we breathe. Alert, quick to notice and respond to danger or other situations. Align, to bring into line or to adjust to a particular position or direction. Alive, living, not dead. All, the whole of something, every part of something. Allow, to give permission or consent to do something. Alone, without anyone or anything else. Solitary, along, in the direction of something. Already, before now or a particular point in time. Also, in addition to. Alter, to change or modify something. Always, at all times, continuously. Amaze, to surprise greatly, to cause wonder or astonishment. Ambition, a strong desire or determination to achieve something. Ambitious, having or showing a strong desire or determination to achieve something. Amount, a quantity of something, the total of something. Ample, enough or more than enough, sufficient. Analysis, the process of examining something in detail in order to understand it better. Ancient, very old, from a long time ago. Anger, a strong feeling of annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. Animal, a living organism that can move, eat, and reproduce. Announce, to make a formal public statement about something. Annual, occurring once a year, yearly. Anticipate, to expect or look forward to something. Anxiety, a feeling of worry or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Appear, to become visible or be seen. Applaud, to clap hands together as a way of showing approval or appreciation. Appreciate, to recognize the value or worth of something. Approach, to come near or closer to something or someone. Approval, the act of agreeing to or accepting something. Argue, to engage in a verbal or written dispute, to present reasons or evidence to support a position. Arrange, to organize or plan something in advance. Art, the expression of human creativity and imagination, typically in visual or auditory form. Article, a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper, magazine, or other periodical. Artificial, made by humans, not natural. Ascend, to go up or climb higher. Ashamed, feeling embarrassed or guilty about something that one has done. Ask, to request information or an answer to a question. Aspect, a particular part or feature of something. Assert, to state or declare something with confidence and forcefulness. Assess, to evaluate or estimate the quality, ability, or value of something. Assign, to give a particular task or responsibility to someone. Assist, to help or support someone in doing something. Associate, to connect or link something with something else. Assume, to suppose or believe something without proof or evidence. Assurance, a promise or guarantee that something will be done or provided. Astonish, to surprise or amaze someone greatly. Attract, to draw or pull something or someone towards oneself. Attribute, a quality or feature that is characteristic of something or someone. Audience, a group of people who listen to or watch a performance or presentation. Authentic, genuine, not fake or counterfeit. Authority, the power or right to give orders, make decisions, and enforce obedience. Available, able to be used or accessed. Obtainable, average, typical or normal, the arithmetic mean of a set of numbers. Avoid, to stay away from or prevent something from happening. Awake, not asleep, conscious. Award, a prize or recognition given for an achievement or accomplishment. Aware, having knowledge or perception of a situation or fact. Away, at a distance from a particular place or person. Awesome, extremely impressive or daunting. Awkward, causing difficulty or embarrassment, not smooth or graceful. Accumulate, to gather or collect gradually over time. Accurate, correct, exact, or precise. Acquaintance, a person one knows slightly, but who is not a close friend. Acquire, to gain or obtain something through one's efforts or actions. Action, the process of doing something, a thing done or performed. Active, engaged in physical or mental activity, energetic or lively. Actual, existing in fact or reality, not imaginary or theoretical. Adapt, to adjust or modify something to suit a particular purpose or situation. Add, to combine or join two or more things to form a larger one. Adequate, sufficient or suitable for a particular purpose or need. Adjust, to alter or modify something slightly to achieve a better fit or result. Admire, to regard with respect, pleasure, or approval. Admit, to confess or acknowledge something to be true, to allow entry or access. Adopt, to take on or accept something as one's own. Adult, a person who is fully grown or developed, mature. Advance, to move forward or make progress, to promote or develop something. Subscribe now and never miss a video.